Hi Art Maniacs! We're going to be doing a drawing of Naruto from a request done by my friend from Benin, West Africa. He really likes this character. So here we go. So first of all, I'm going to start right about here and I'm going to just come down, come around, kind of flattens out, and then it curves back around like that. And there's the first part. This is the face part. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes across and it kind of dips down. Then I'm going to put an ear here, just comes around. I'm going to put some little ear detail in, and then I'm going to draw another ear over here. Put some more ear detail in. There we go. Then I'm going to draw a little bit of hair. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw some zigzags. Just some zigzags. All right, then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just going to draw some zigzags. You can do this. I'm going to draw some shadowy zigzags. There we go. Now that I have that on, I'm going to draw a line coming up for the side of his headband. And I'm going to draw a line coming across to this piece of hair right here. And then I'm going to draw a line up right here for the other side of his headband. And then he's got this piece on his headband. So I'm just going to draw a nice little rectangle. And it's got some rivets in it. There we go. And then I'm going to start right here for the symbol. And come around like that. Then it's got a little triangle right here. There's that part. Okay, now for the rest of the hair. So I'm going to start under the ear and draw some hair over there. Come over to this side, draw some hair over there. And then I'm going to draw a little neck piece coming down. Not very long, just a little piece. Then I'm going to draw the collar. So I'm going to draw a line coming down kind of at an angle, and then it's going to come around like so, and this is going to go to the end of that. And then I'm going to draw a diagonal line down and a line coming up and around. Then there's a little shadow here. And that's the under part of the collar. And we've got the shoulders here. Now we're going to do it on this side. So for this side, okay, so then for the collar, we're going to come down, and then come back up. And then we have the same thing here. We have like a little underneath section that's shaded in. And then for his shoulder, there we go. And we've got some highlight, or actually they're shaded places. There we go. All right, now for the face. You can do this. Okay, so to start with, we're going to start with the eye. So we're going to start with a little line coming like this at a diagonal. And then we're going to have another line coming like this at a diagonal, and there's his eyebrows. Then we're going to take underneath his eyebrow and we're going to make a nice arched line like that. And then it's going to come back down and hook back on there. And then his pupil or his iris in there, you don't see the whole thing. Part of it's hidden. So don't draw a circle, just draw part of a circle because it's hidden up here. And then he's got like a line across the top and a little bit of a line back there. Okay, so now for this eye, it's a little bit different. It's gonna start with that same arch like that, and then it's gonna drop down, and then it's gonna go across like that. And it's also got kind of a thick line along the top and over here, and then you don't see the whole eyeball, you see part of it. Okay, just like that. All right, so now, and I think I'm gonna extend this down a little bit. There we go, so they match up. There we are. All right, now for the nose. So the nose is gonna have a piece that comes down here like so and comes straight down, then comes back up, over, and back up like that, and it's a shadow. Okay, then there's a nostril on that side and a little nostril on this side. Then for the mouth, it starts here and it goes up diagonal like this with a little piece on it like that. And then we've got some lines here. I'm not familiar with this image. And he's got lines going there and lines right here. There we go. And then what's in the background? Well, we've got some trees. We'll make some trees in the background. He's got some trees over here. And he's got like some forest, nature stuff. Give a suggestion of trees. There we go. Oh, that looks great. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.